Okay, I want to show you how to make this quick, healthy, easy breakfast that I made using my Tefal steamer. So this is brown rice powder, which you can get from the, let me show you the packet. This is the product I used. It's called Putti. So it's a popular South Indian breakfast. So it just takes, it's so quick and so nutritious because it is unpolished rice. It's red rice. It's got high in iron. So all I did was take the powder. I took about, using this cup, 2 cups of powder, and I put it in this bowl here. Added a teaspoon of salt, rock salt, not a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, and I poured 1 cup of this water into the powder and mixed it up just to make it moist. Once the powder is moist, I use my Tefal steamer, and I have this thing, separate attachment. It's not part of this Tefal steamer, but it's just a steamer basket that I have for, you can just pop it into anything and steam using this basket. So I use this because I'm using this powder, and if I put it directly into my Tefal steamer, you can see it's got bigger holes, so I used it. Now if you don't have this bucket, just use a wet white cloth, clean white cotton cloth inside this, and you can put the powder. So all I did was mixed it and put the powder here, and took a blob of frozen coconut and placed it on top and closed it. And then I set it for 20 minutes. So it steamed for 20 minutes, and then breakfast is ready. So all it took for me to prepare was not even 5 minutes. 2 minutes to mix the powder in this bowl, put it into this steamer, close it, set it for 20 minutes, and it's ready. Now this is how I'm serving the breakfast to my son. So I've taken a little bit of the powder, taken a little bit of the coconut and sprinkled on top, cut half a banana slice, and I've added some brown sugar on top. Sprinkle some brown sugar, and his yummy healthy breakfast is ready. If you try this recipe, let me know how you went. And there are so many different types of steamers to do the same thing, but I've made it, this Tefal steamer, using it has been very easy to make this breakfast. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more tips and talks on wellness, spirituality, and healthy living using being aligned to nature. Thank you for subscribing if you've already done that, and press the bell icon while you do that. Bye.